We're staying in our new office proposal.dwg file, and I'm going to show you now how to edit your XREF, your attached XREF, in place in the host drawing. Now, before we do that, we need to go to our landscaping area here and close that drawing by clicking on the little X, like so. We want that to be closed because you can't edit an XREF in place if you've got that XREF drawing open. So now if I select the XREF, the contextual external reference tab appears, and in the edit panel here I've got edit reference in place. So there's our landscaping area. I'm going to accept the automatic setting there and click on OK. Now I will get this little prompt here, which is quite interesting. Basically, when you edit an XREF in place, it will automatically update it to the latest release DWG format, the 2018 DWG format. I save all of our library files, our exercise files, to the 2013 DWG file format. That's why this little pop-ups come up. Just click on OK. And basically what you will have to remember to do is go back and save the landscaping area drawing to the 2013 file format if you want to later. Now, I'm in the external reference tab on the ribbon. I've now got lots of different tools pop up. So I can save the changes, discard the changes, add to a working set, or remove from a working set. We're not going to worry too much about working sets. I'm just going to make a very, very simple change. I'm going to select that rectangle, right click, erase, job done. And then I'm going to save those changes. So you'll notice the ribbon goes back to normal as soon as I do that. And I save the changes up here instead. Job done. All reference edits will be saved. Click on OK. And I've changed that particular reference file. Now, how do I check whether that's worked? Well, if I go to Open now and open up my landscaping area DWG file, you'll notice that rectangle is missing from the actual XREF file as well. So you can see how quick and easy it is to edit an external reference file in place. Just make sure you haven't got it open, otherwise it won't let you edit it in place. So if I go back to the new Office Proposal tab, you'll see there that we've got our edited XREF displaying in our current host drawing.